if a1, a2, a3 etc. up to an be in arithmetic progression having the common difference d, then Sn is equal to 1 by a1 a2 plus 1 by a2 a3 etc. up to 1 by an minus 1 into an. Then show that a1 an Sn is independent of d. This is the question. So solution. So it is given that a1, a2 etc. up to an are in arithmetic progression. Therefore a2 minus a1 is equals to a3 minus a2 is equals to etc. up to an minus 1 is common difference. Now given Sn is what? Sn is equal to 1 by a1 a2 plus 1 by a2 a3 etc. up to 1 by an minus 1 into an. Now what you do is you multiply this Sn both sides by common difference d. Then d into Sn is equals to d by a1 a2 plus d by a2 a3 etc. up to d by an minus 1 into an. Now here a1 a2 is there. So in place of d in numerator you put a2 minus a1. Here a2 a3 is there in denominator. So in numerator in place of d you put a3 a3 minus a2. Similarly in last term in denominator an minus 1 an is there. In place of d you substitute an minus 1. Then what happens? This is equals to, here you will have a2 minus a1 by a1 a2 plus here a3 minus a2 by a2 a3 plus etc. up to an minus 1 by an minus 1 into an. This is d into Sn. In next step, now separate it. So a2 by a1 minus a2 is a2 cancel. This is 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2 plus second term is a3 cancel, 1 by a2 minus 1 by a3 plus etc. Last one is an cancel, 1 by an minus 1, here an minus 1 cancel, 1 by an. Now by telescopic cancellation, so 1 by a2 cancel, 1 by a3, in next bracket you will have 1 by a3 cancel. So till this term all the term gets cancelled. So you left with what? 1 by a1 minus 1 by an. This is nothing but d into Sn. Now this is equals to, here a1 an LCM, a1 a1 cancel, here an minus an cancel, minus a1. So this is equal to, an is nothing but nth term of the AP. Nth term is what? First term a1 plus n minus 1 into common difference minus this a1 as it is by a1 into an. This is equals to, here minus a1 plus a1 cancel, here you left with n minus 1 into d by a1 into an. This is nothing but d into Sn. So here dd cancel. So you take out a1 an this side, then you will have a1 an Sn is equal to n minus 1. So here what we got? Here left hand side a1 an Sn and right hand side n minus 1 is there. In right hand side you will have only n. There is no d. That's why a1 an Sn is independent of d, because there is no d in this equation.